Welcome to Spark Up Dance. My name's Brett, and this is your Spark Up Drill. So, what we're going to be working on today specifically has to do with salsa, and we're going to be rolling our foot through the counts 3, 4. This is what I mean by this. So what's going to happen here is we're going to come back onto our right foot, 1, 2, and then when I step on my 3, 4, I want to make sure that I don't just go flat immediately, 3, then hold 4. What I want to do is, in order to create a nice rolling action with my foot, I want to make sure I roll from 3 and then the heel comes down on 4. And then same thing when I go on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. All right, so real quick, I want to let you know that there's this cool tool called the Music Identifier tool on sparkupdance.com. What this tool is for is if you have a song you like listening to, or if you're trying to plan for a wedding or something to that degree, and you just don't know what to dance to that song, it'll actually give you a breakdown as to different dance styles, how they're danced to different types of music. So you can actually take a song, take a look around on that tool, play some samplers and read what kind of instruments and what type of description usually fits that style of dance, and find out which dance you can do to that song. So check that out. There's also our monthly subscription service that you can sign up for on the videos page while you're there. That'll get you all kinds of content like what we're working on today, but broken down and in detail. All right, so what kind of patterns are we going to be doing today? So the patterns we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the salsa basics. So we're going to come back, replace, slightly forward, forward, replace, slightly back. And then we're going to do a side break. So we're going to go side, replace, together, side, replace, together. And then from there, we're going to do a forward walk turn starting with the first half of basics. So we're going to go back, replace, forward, paddle, turn, together, back, replace, forward, paddle, turn, together. Let's go ahead and we'll jump right into it. Thank you for watching. If you found this content useful, then please subscribe. We'll see you next time.